Good morning everyone, my name is Alessandro Nota and I'm a PhD student at the University of Turin in Italy. Today I'm going to share with you the results of my final project for the postgraduate certificate in ecological survey techniques at the University of Oxford. For my research I studied the diversity of land snails in Oxfordshire and the abundance of alien species in different environmental conditions. Land snails are a highly diverse group of invertebrates, but due to their cryptic nature and sedentary behavior, they're often overlooked in biodiversity and invasion studies. In the UK, around 20% of land snail species are non-native and some have shown invasive potential as well. However, while urbanization and human disturbance are known to promote invasions in other groups, their impact on land snails hasn't been well studied yet. This project aimed to investigate how native and alien snails are distributed across different woodland sites and which environmental factors like road proximity or habitat size can influence the presence of invaders. Field activity was conducted in these 8 woodland sites in Oxfordshire. 4 were urban, meaning surrounded by buildings, and 4 were rural. In each site, 8 random quadrats were selected, and each of these quadrats was searched between 12 and 15 minutes for specimens. Identification followed and was based on shell morphology, but for cryptic species like the ones you see here in the video, DNA barcoding was used as well. All the coordinates of the sampling quadrats were recorded and later used to calculate the distance of each quadrat from water, roads, and other human structures. We used 2 multiple regression models to analyze which variables were statistically associated with alien snail abundance. We found 23 taxa, including the 5 alien species you see here in red. Invaders were generally far more abundant in smaller, urban sites and in those close to roads. One particularly interesting result was the presence of the species 𝐟𝐤𝐚𝐽𝐻, which was found for the first time in several sites, indicating a recent expansion in Oxfordshire. Statistical models confirmed that alien abundance, both in terms of species and specimens, decreased significantly with increasing distance from roads and with larger site size. Moreover, sites with more native species tended to have fewer alien ones, and this can suggest a possible biotic resistance effect. The interaction terms indicated that the effects of the area and road distance on the alien abundance vary between urban and rural sites. To conclude, this study shows that human disturbance plays a main role in shaping land snails communities and the abundance of invaders. Conservation strategies should focus on maintaining large, connected habitats and managing human access points, especially roads, to prevent further spread of non-native species. Thank you for listening, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.